80102.
What's it say?
What's going on? I don't know. I can't even read.
That's so going on video.
An idiot. Get out of the water. That's where the rise was right there, Pete. Watch it come out with a frickin' Get out of there. Dope. Get up, Pete. Dope. So you can't call a name. I'm gonna freeze for that, my hand. Come here. Come here. Come here. Do your job.
Look, it found a stick in the water. It found a stick.
You know how cold that thing was? Oh. It's like, oh my God, I can't feel myself. No. There's birdie in there, Matt.
I'm right behind you.
Find him. Can't see it.
Where is it?
I couldn't.
Where is it?
See it. Oh, it's on the ground.
Oh my God.
All right. Yeah. Callie, come.
Maybe he did hit it.
Callie, over here. It's on the ground. Over here, come on.
Callie, come.
Yeah. See, that what it did? Hit the tree? Yeah, it's right in the tree. It's right there. Yeah. Over here, Callie. Here. Come. Over here. Yeah, she got real birdie flush and then it hit the ground. Here, right in here. In here.
Where'd it go now?
It's in this brush somewhere. Over here. Yeah. Callie, come. In here. Right
That would have been a perfect freaking shot too.
Find it. Over here, you dope. Hey. Yep. Get the bird. Get him. Your tail. Get him.
She's looking at it. There it is. It's running.
Get him. Over here. Hey. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Hey, dipshit.
It can't.
Hey. No, it looks like it. It's over here, dummy.
I still see it. It's right there.
Come here. Come. Over here. Hey.
Yeah, she's got it.
Good dog. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, no more. Good dog. No more. Yeah, let's not go up just like you. Yeah.
Uncle Piggy's
What?
down.
Get that on the
Yep.
Oh, good.
I can't even see. I don't think so. Yeah, it went down this way, but I don't think I hit her. I think I hit the pine tree in front of me more than anything. Get it?
That one up Let's go through here.
Yeah, it ran right to me.
Push through.
Right there.
Bird. Callie got it. It's going towards the field. Oh, I see it.
It just hit a tree.
Down.
Oh, no, it's going this way.
Get ready. Come right at you. Piggy, nail it! Nail that. Get him!
I had to drop my ish.
Get him! Right here! Come! Right here! That caught in the flew under your pedal. Good girl. Come on, bring him here.
That would have been a sweet freaking dog cam video. Callie. Bring that back too.
It went out towards the field and then came towards us. Bad mistake.
You were fucking around, Junior.
Huh?
I thought you were messing around.
No, I'm watching this thing go towards the field and it looped back.
It hit a branch and went down and came back up.
It folded as soon as I saw it.
I was never.
I don't know why.
Come on, bring here.
No, wait, don't do anything. I'll growl. Right there.
Come here.
Good girl, Callie. Come.
That happened right here with me and Timmy with ducks. They came right at us. I just shot it and landed at my feet.
No tail on that thing. How many birds we got today?
Foot stuck. One.
Like, why do you have to deal with that?
This is probably where your dad flushed that grouse out of. What? Oh. I thought I just heard one flush, but I don't know. I'm in some thick crap, I just gotta get through it. Got him. You got him. Get him.
Man.
Let me see the tail.
Oh, hold on.
It's a 20 gauge double barrel. Nice male. Good.
That's a big fan.
That is. That's a nice one. Nice colors. Nice bird. Nice tough. Oh, bird right there. Get. Oh, that's that.